Fuck it up until the end. Set the place on fire again. Yeah. Fuck it up until the end. Set the place on fire again. Aye. Different type of killer with no pretend strike. A different type of pussy from my cocky and my bitch the type of different type of money. Don't believe that that's a different type of straining. I'm a brain head man, you swing me like a different. Show me the bring the fight and swing the left and swing the right. Different type of different type of.
Listen, all y'all other hair companies, y'all need to just go ahead and delete y'all website because MegaLook, oh my God. I don't know who's in the factory working, but this wig was absolutely beautiful, you guys. Today's video is sponsored by MegaLook. If y'all don't know what MegaLook is, y'all, they make wigs, bundles, everything. I'll leave everything linked down below. These are all the goodies they sent me. They were kind enough to send me a 26-inch wig. I don't know if y'all know, but a lot of companies are not sending 26 inches anymore, especially with this high quality lace right here. As y'all can see, you can see straight through the lace and see hands. So imagine how it's going to look on your head. Like, this wig snap. You guys were going crazy on Instagram telling me how gorgeous y'all think this color look on me. So thank y'all so much. I will leave everything linked down below because a lot of you guys were already asking me for the link. So check the description bar, okay, you guys? I'm going in and I'm putting the wig on a wig stand, and I'm just going in with some wax stick, with a wax stick and a hot comb just to see what the hairline looking like. As y'all can see, this hair is a 613 and also has some gray, so I had to put it on a wig head to see how it really looks. So let's jump into this, you guys. I'm going in with my ball cap method. MegaLook sent me a HD wig cap, but I don't know. I just felt like my black hair was showing through the hairline of the wig. So I was like, I have to go back to the old school wig caps, which is like the thicker one. So I had one left, and I'm really happy that I did because, child, I really needed it. I'm going in with some cream foundation from Ruby Kisses, and I'm just slapping that all over my head and hairline. Now, today, I really wasn't sure if I wanted to do a middle part or straight. No, a middle part or a side bang. And a lot of you guys were telling me on Instagram to do a side bang. And I didn't think that it would be enough like parting space on this wig, but it was more than enough. So I went ahead and did a C. I think it's called a deep side part. You guys will see that in today's video, but I'm telling y'all, this wig looked gorgeous on me. If you guys seen the intro, and y'all will see the outro, this wig snapped, you guys. Snap, snap, snap. And it's just so beautiful. Like, it literally came in a straight texture, and I didn't even have to fly iron it, but I just fly ironed it just for like, because I wanted to, but it was straight and luscious and beautiful without me even fly ironing it. Like, this wig snaps, you guys. I don't have a coupon code, but I don't know, y'all. I don't have a code, but it'll be linked down below if you guys are interested. And make sure y'all follow all of MegaLook's social medias because you just never know. They always have sales. But I am really, 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 like, very, very happy with the quality of this wig. This wig really surprised me. At first, I was like, oh, my God, I'm about to look like an old lady. But no, I snapped. Like, this wig snapped. As y'all can see. Like, look at that hairline. No thick knots. This is a thin, small knot, you guys. And this wig was so easy to work with, as y'all can see. I'm just going to go in and show y'all the hairline. And I'm not going to talk too long because I want you guys to enjoy this. And I also found some new non-copyrighted music, so I want y'all to enjoy that too. So thank you so much to MegaLook for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this detailed hair tutorial. And if y'all are interested, like I said, I will leave them linked. Look at this. Be for real. I will leave them linked down below. So, yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Every girl want to walk off on me. Every girl say they want piece of me. Every girl want to walk off on me. So they know me and the pussy specialist.
Side. Da, da, da.
Yo, kill.
Say you're back from which part? Tell a pussy we no gon' dip dog. Like Chinese wall, so the clip tall. Show it up and make you fall from your disc dog. You know one on a disc cause man a big dog. I saw you disappear as if I never did ban. Me no walk up a kilo, me no just a sing song. With the people your mother tell you keep farm. Z-Tech full of bomb like Islam. And if you make a come me know the enemy, them a play, and me know they not sorry for me. People are ball and a scream, cause we bad than we mean. Bloody crime scene, calamity. I saw we shoot out, we and figure Canada G. Make them have a experience, no gravity. Tell a pussy we no laugh, up, we no take that. All your little people are dead dog. So should I keep in your bed, cause the Talibans, them a make walk. We no laugh, up, we no take that. Badness how we end us. We no shoot people feeling up in a red grass. Yo, Taliban's like them near sure guns. Make you no sleep at your yard in a 4 months. And so we make people a more out. Like y'all get fucked down a whole house. Laugh bars full of gear that me sure about. And if you see me travel with an 9X, and no politician with me I go vote out. 4 kilo, 4 seat and 4 rounds. Remember me born Kingston. The love party forget love drink rum. AK shit like a Jada Kingdom. Everything I get fucked like strip club. So me stay sharp. We no play that, we get it one time in the same spot. Like iPhone, where your ear drop. I mean I give a fuck if I not be a bad. And if you make a come me know the enemy, them a pray, and me know they not sorry for me. People are ball and a skin, cause we bad than we mean. Bloody crime scene, calamity. And so we shoot out, we and figure Canada G. Make them have a experience, no gravity. Tell a pussy we no laugh, we no take that. All your little people are dead dog. So should I keep in your bed, cause the Talibans, them a make walk. We no laugh, we no take that. Badness how we end up. We no shoot people feeling up in a red grass. Tell a boy we no laugh, we no take that. All your little people are dead dog. Me want to know where head gone. So should I keep in your bed, cause we a make walk. No damn, I make walk. Tell a boy we no laugh, anything on your dead dog.
You can't even sit in peace, cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, the one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, yeah, then waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, you what you need, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games, cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalist, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran on remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check her, I still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second. Fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn. The boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped him, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn Maybach Benz with me in the back. When I wasn't accurate, I still couldn't clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked, but that come with being attached, so how about we leave it at that?
If you gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me.
Cook it up until the end. Set the place on fire again. Cook it up until the end. Set the place on fire again. Hey, different type of killer when I bring the strike. A different type of pussy when I cock it. I'm a bitch that I'm a different type of money. Don't we live the life. A different type of straining. I'm a brain head man. You swing my life. Show me them. Bring the fight. And swing the left and swing the right. Different type of different type of Granny tell me different strokes, different force. Walk down some and bust them and run down some and slit them throat. I tell me split them fork. Seriously kick them throat. Rich them up with chips and float. Rich like a chip and fork. Liar when I miss a quote. Like tie up me dick a throat. They try up on me if I sport. Most of them are flip a sport. Big and more. Legends live forever. Them can't kill a vote.